Hi, I'm Roger, and I'm using Cartoon Animator to create some transparent background lower third titles for my video editor, which is Sony Vegas. This is a new feature in 4.5 for Cartoon Animator, and this is what it looks like when I've created in Cartoon Animator. I started the project by adding a prop. I'm using Affinity Photo to create my props and things. And one thing I've learned is to actually create some templates and save them in a native photo format, because then I can do is just, I can always maintain them as vectors. I can copy, paste them into the screen that I'll be using in Cartoon Animator, and when I save it, you'll see it brings it as prop. I'm not going to use this one. I've already got one on here, and what I've done basically is to have this slide into the screen with a couple keyframes, just a simple animation. I've already had a prop of a photo. Again, I'm just bringing that in, and I applied some animation using some of the elastic motions over here, and then I used actually the subtitles feature to bring in a title. I could have also created a prop for the titles, so now all I've got to do is render it. Make sure I've got it set to the QuickTime MOV file, transparent. I like to create full HD 1080p size and export it to the file that I've already created. Rendering to QuickTime takes quite a bit of time. It takes about 1 minute and 20 seconds for this one, so it actually takes much more time than just creating a simple, than creating an MPEG-4 file. I've added video to a Vegas timeline already, so now all I need to do is bring my lower thirds title into it and play it. We're not sure what it is. It's a wild animal! Ah! One of the beauties to this is that it brought it in with the transparent background already, which I think is a Vegas 18 function. If you don't have Vegas 18, you may need to go into the properties and go to media and make sure you've got the alpha channel set here. Normally it comes in as undefined, so it will not won't work. It'll look like this. Another thing to note is I could have created the animation in a full screen using Cartoon Animator, but then the catch is when I go to Vegas and I bring in the title, it will be in the middle of the screen, which I don't really want. But I can just readjust it, and that is also perhaps an advantage to doing it this way, is that I can size it here according to what I want it to be in Vegas. That's how it works. Fairly quick and simple.